Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here, and today's video is going to be so exciting because I finally have my new lighting and a new little background. Cute. What do we think? Really simple. I don't have much space to work with, but I'm still playing around with things, still adjusting my lights. Sorry for the jingle bells. So I'm just trying to really improve my videos one step at a time, but I think I like it so far. Also, this is gonna be my first holiday look this year. I ended up doing a green, really pretty green eye. I threw some gold sparkle on there for the holiday, and I just paired it with a nude lip. It's a really classic holiday look, and I love how it turned out. The glitter just like makes it so festive. If you guys like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you wanna see more videos by me, and if you wanna see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start out by priming my eyes with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. And then just adding concealer, blending it out. I'm going to go in with this Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to set that all over with the color Rollin' in Dough. Then for our transition shade, we are going to use this light tan shade called So Bougie. To deepen the crease, I'm going in with this brown shade, Cocoa Truffle. Then I'm just going to carve out my lid with some concealer so the shimmer will pop. I'm gonna go in with this really pretty green shimmer called Money Bags and placing it over where we did that concealer. Then I'm gonna go back in with that Cocoa Truffle color and just blend the edges. Next, I'm just gonna use this Benefit Roller Liner Felt Tip Eyeliner just so the false lashes blend. Curling my lashes and then just applying mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. I love this mascara. And then the lashes I'm using are the Ardell 120 Demi lashes. Just taking a makeup wipe and cleaning underneath the eye, away any fallout. For my primer, I'm using the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. I've been loving this. And then eye cream, I'm using the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. For foundation, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Hydrating Foundation in the shade 3.02. It looks super tan, but once I blend it in and add concealer and everything, it's not too orange. For concealer, I'm using Benefit Boiing concealer. Then for a little bit more lightness in the inner corner, I'm using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer just to brighten everything up. For bronzer, I'm using the E.L.F. Putty Bronzer in the shade Tan Lines. And for blush, I'm using the E.L.F. Putty Blush in the shade Turks and Caicos, and I love these formulas, so great. For powder, to set everything, I'm using the Ciate London Coconut Setting Powder. Then I just buff the powder away with a big fluffy brush. You can let it sit as long as you want or add a little more powder and buff it into the skin to make your makeup last even longer. For a little bit of bronzer to set all my cream products, I'm using the E.L.F. Powder Bronzer in the shade Sunkissed. And then I will go in with this Tarte Blush Bliss palette and use the shade Genuine just to set the cream blush as well. Now I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo in Brunette just to fill in. take any brow pencil. Right now I'm using this $1 Billion Brow in a brunette shade and just filling any sparse areas. And then I'm gonna set my brows with the NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Gel. For highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Loose Highlighter in the shade Hustle and Glow. Really pretty gold highlighter. I'm also gonna add this to the inner corner of my eyes as well. Going back into the eyeshadow palette, I'm taking the Cocoa Truffle shade, buffing it under the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with the Moneybags Green Shimmer on a smaller eyeshadow brush and pushing that into the lower lash line to define it a little bit more. Then I'm taking this Tarte High Tides and Good Vibes eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this loose gold glitter from this palette in the color Champagne Beach. These loose glitters in this palette make the palette so worth it, and I just press it over the lid just to add a little bit more sparkle. You can take any glitter you have and press it over an eyeshadow, and it just brings it to life for holidays. Then I'm just adding mascara to the lower lash line. I'm taking a waterproof eyeliner to my waterline. I started with this dark brown one, but then I ended up switching to this Clinique 24-hour eyeliner in black just to make it a little more dramatic and help the lashes blend. Then I'm setting my face with the Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix Setting Spray. Fan her out. For lips, I'm taking this NYX lip liner in Nude Beige. This lip combo is really easy. It's just a nude, pinky nude lip liner and just apply a really pretty lip gloss on top, and it's like a perfect, easy combo. The lip gloss I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Moon. These glosses are so good. Alright, so I just curled my hair and did my jingle bells. Alright guys, so I really liked how this look turned out. I actually love the eyes. I think they're really pretty. The sparkle just like took it to another level for holiday glam. I love it. You can put any kind of sparkle glitter that you have on top of like an eyeshadow for the holidays, and it will really just add that holiday spirit to your look. So thank you guys for watching. This is my first holiday look. Stay tuned, subscribe. I will be doing another holiday look coming up in the next few days. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos by me, and thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.